Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Coinbase Wallet to buy crypto. It is very simple and easy thing to do. So you need to launch your Coinbase Wallet first, and here you just have to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you will be able to see buy, swap and cash out options. So since we want to buy crypto, you need to tap on buy. After that, by default, you will show this type of interface where the network will be selected on base. But if you want to change the network as per your own crypto, you just have to tap on it and change the network. After that, in order to change the token, you just have to tap on the buy option, and from this list you can simply search for your desirable token and you can easily add it. After that, you need to tap on the pay with option, and from here based on your country you can select the payment method and the provider. After that, you just have to tap on the continue to payment option and then press continue again. Once done, you will be redirected on the official website of the particular provider that you have selected, where you just have to start the process of buying your crypto. So here you need to tap on buy, and then it will ask you to provide your email address. So you need to enter your email address here. Then on the next page you need to provide your address, like your Coinbase address, which will be taken automatically. Then you just have to provide your payment method and conclude your payment. Now once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily purchase your desired crypto in your Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.